Hi lovelies, good morning. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Master Lize, but I prefer being called Mito. This is the start of a new vlog and I just woke up actually. Today is 2nd of July 2026. So happy new month people. Yay! We're in the second half of 2026. And I do my own, like today is like my monthly reset because it's a Thursday and I'm not going to work. So because I like doing my monthly reset at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the month, not at the end. Like I want to do my laundry, clean my apartment, do my dishes, like do all the chores today. So that's actually why I set up my camera. I wanted to introduce this new vlog. Um and actually, like, aside from the chores I have to do, I actually have a lot of work on my table because I'm editing the YouTube video that's coming out this Saturday, the last one for June. I'm editing it. And I'm also working on the event highlights for my organization. If you guys watched the last vlog, it ended with me going for my event, my organization's event. Yeah. One thing with carrying a camera is that you're going to work for other people. Yeah. So I'm editing the highlights. I have two highlights to edit on my YouTube video. So like I have a lot of work on my table. And also I have to deep clean. So it's a lot of work. I just wanted to like introduce the vlog and say hi to you guys because it's been a while. I miss you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. If I get on with clean, I'll have to take down my nails because I need my full hands to like work, and these nails have actually lasted. It's been like slightly over 2 weeks now, but my braids got old so fast, so I'm really disappointed with my braids. But we'll just take it down, nothing more. Probably I'll use tomorrow to go shopping because I need a few things for the apartment. And yeah, I just got paid. I might as well go shop now before I go back to being broke. That's one thing, one downside with getting paid salary. Yeah, you just only have a limited amount of time to use the money before you finish it because the money will still finish. So I don't think I'll bring you guys along while I'm deep cleaning because it will be distracting. Doing chores and setting up camera. So I think I will just bring you guys along tomorrow while I'm going to shop. So I think that's that for this intro. And yeah, I found another angle in my room. I don't know if this angle is good. I don't know. Is it? You guys should let me know. And for my deep cleaning is because the camera will be distracting one, and two, I don't think anybody will want to see it. You guys will maybe want to see me deep cleaning or doing chores. Maybe just leave a comment down below and I'll try to maybe include it next time I'm doing chores, okay? My laundry is all dry, so
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boys are way up, boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Boys are way up, boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, never my good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like,
So today is a new day. Today is Saturday, July the 4th. So I went to shop yesterday. You guys saw, I showed you guys. I went to buy some things yesterday from Pinnacle. Guys, tell me why I spent 3 hours to just buy something that is like less than 30K. I spent three whole hours. Like it was crazy. Let me remove my glasses. It was really crazy. Like I hated it. I don't think I'm going back to shop at Pinnacle anytime soon. And I feel like why I went there was because I needed to buy a tripod. There was this tripod I saw there one time that I needed to get. But apparently yesterday that I went, it was not there. Anyway, enough of my rant. I want to like do a haul of what I got from the mall yesterday and then show you guys like some new stuff I got. So let's get started. So first thing is this um Cerex. It's like kinky. This would be like if I use this for my hair, this would be like the first time I'm using it. And I'm really excited to use this. I bought some cowries and this thing to use on the hair. Like I feel like my next hairstyle will eat so much. The thing I got was this pack of Lush attachments. This was five something. And like why I went to the mall, that mall I went to the Pinnacle was because they sell things in wholesale prices. I thought it would be like three something, but apparently it's five something. I wanted to get it in another color because I feel like I'm carrying black attachment. I don't want to like make another black hair, but that's the only color they have. So the next thing I got was detergent and some washing soap. Next thing I picked up was some pasta. I got Swiss and pasta. Also, I picked up some tomato, curry, and thyme. It was just basic things I went to buy. I hated that I spent 3 hours there, but it's fine. So the next thing I got was milk and chocolate. Oh yeah, this was what I was looking for. I got calories to use for my Cerex hair. Like if I had these calories and I had this thing, oh god, that would look so good. Next thing I got is Golden Mon. I had an amazing day the last time I went shopping, so I decided to get it again. What else? Sugar and salt, because I mean it's necessary. And finally, I got myself a tail comb. I lost the last one I had, and it was actually blue too. I lost it, so I decided to get a new one. I mean, last but not the least, some air freshener for my bathroom. You guys, like why I'm making this video on a new day is because I got home so late yesterday. I told you guys I spent 3 hours there. I got home around past 6, and then the car that was bringing me back, the taxi spoiled on the road, so I had to take another bike to bring me back home. It was just so crazy yesterday. Anyway, so this morning I had to go pick up food before I started doing the whole haul. And you guys, I got a gift like I'm really excited to unbox. I mean, it's no longer in a box because I was so distinct, but guys, I got a bag. And see, is Christian Louboutin Paris. Oh god, guys, this bag is so gorgeous. Let me show you guys. Guys, do you guys see the details? Oh god, let me drop this. See the details. It's so beautiful. I think the only issue I have with it is it doesn't have a longer strap. I think this is the only strap, so it kind of makes it a office bag, whether you want to or not. It's strictly an office bag. But like if you carry this to the office, the kind of statements you'll be making. And then it came with this tiny purse in it. And then the last thing I got was this. I feel like I'm buying things on red these days. Um a friend I made recently started selling perfume, so I said to patronize her. So this was what I got, 24K red. I feel like I'm not really like a big perfume person. I buy perfume, but like I'm not really big on it. So it's, yeah. Because growing up, my mommy said, "Oh, people use perfume to max up body odor and scent. So if you can smell good on your own without perfume, then that's like the ultimate test of your cleanliness." So she didn't get us perfumes till I think the first perfume I ever used, I bought it myself. My mom didn't buy it, my parents didn't buy it, and that was like in uni. It'd be my last year of high school, secondary school. It was really good. I like it. I feel like I'm going to wear it a lot. Even though I feel like the scent is a bit overwhelming for me. Anyway, thank you guys. That was like the whole
When you blowing her back, think about me cause you know that it's fat.
I came to a different church today. The Lights Nation. So happy Sunday, you guys. and let's go to worship God together. Today is July 5th, so good morning, and it's the first Sunday of July. I don't even know if I'm making sense, but let's get to church.
He doesn't see us. You're not making money, boy. Doesn't see us. He doesn't see
This is like my favorite restaurant. Yeah, Tambama. Guys, we're here to shoot the podcast for the office. So I'm behind the scenes. Yeah, we are moving on. Bye. Good afternoon. It's afternoon today. Like today is what's today's date again? I'm sorry, let me check my phone. Is Thursday, July 9th. I'm 2026. And you guys saw me. I went to the local market. I went to get a couple of things because I want to make okra soup. I don't think I'll be able to vlog because I hate vlogging anything stressful, chores, cooking, because I don't really like doing them. So doing it and like manning the camera is like a lot of work. So I don't really like doing that, but I'll try to vlog if I can. And I'm also taking down my braids today. My braids are so old, but I think it lasted. Even though I started complaining about it like like 2 weeks ago because it got old so fast, but I made sure I left it. It lasted. And I bought scissors to cut my braids myself. So I'll take down my braids myself. I like to get down my braids myself. It's a way of spending quality time with myself. You get. But getting these scissors was so hard. You guys, I didn't know scissors was hard to get in the market. I kept walking round and round and round before I could get the scissors. So I'm sure happy I got that. And I'm excited. I ordered some stuff from Temu and it came in today. I mean, I would do the unboxing and haul like in the next vlog. But I'm really excited. They just called me now that they want to deliver it. So yay, yay. What else? So if I can, I will show montages of myself taking down my braids and making making the soup I want to make. But yeah, I think that's all for this vlog. Thank you, lovelies, for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, turn on your post notification, and please support a growing YouTuber, please. Okay, see you guys. Bye. So I want to do a haul of what I got. So this okra was 200 naira. I think it's okra season, so the okra was plenty. The vegetables were 300 naira. I bought fish for 2,000 naira. Pepper for 500 naira. Then I bought meat for 3,000 naira, and pomo was 500 naira. Then I bought half cup of ogbono for 750. Crayfish for 200. and then I bought a bulb of onion. So let's get right into it.
When I get to be the jabata, I know get time, I jabata. You better cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me.